Hello. So first we will start with Freely. Freely we have our name Monterey Sweet Boutique. We clearly just have different bloggers and newscastings on desserts. Uh, we have different bloggers that have a lot of followings and followers on desserts. That's mainly what we have here. On our Google Alerts, we have initially in Fayetteville, Sweet Tooth Shop. These are our two competitors for the company Sweet Boutique. And here's my name. And the Miss T, she's a local blogger in North Carolina that I've been following for quite some time. And just to show, I basically have, as it happens for all of them, whenever anything pops up with these terms or names, it pops up automatically to see all results in the location as well. And as you see here, it shows on Yelp desserts, all links that it or secondary links from that page or that key term. And that's how it is for all of them. Lastly, we have our social media. Sweet Boutique mainly uses Facebook, so we didn't use anything else. This is my social media, Sweet Boutiques. This is competitor Anisha Cates, and this is the other competitor, Sweet Tooth Shop in Fayetteville. We're following the Miss T as well. She have about 3,000 followers on Facebook, so we follow her. BuzzFeed is a site where it speaks a lot about different foods and how good they are, and it has over 23 million followers. So that is why we are using them. They're very influential. I think that'll be all.